Welcome to the Cohen Veterans Bioscience Post-Traumatic Stress Disorder Knowledge Map, powered by Exaptive. This ZAP was built to accelerate the development of next-generation diagnostics and treatments for brain disorders, to advance veterans' brain health. The path from preclinical research to developing drugs that benefit people is an understandably long and complex route. This ZAP will illuminate relevant findings across disciplines from each stage of the research and development process. The ZAP is meant to show the entire landscape of the research space, allowing the user to expand to the broader picture or zoom into the finest details related to post-traumatic stress disorder. Our research space includes the science-based findings from primary literature and review articles from peer-reviewed journals. A computer program pulls relevant connections from the articles first, then qualified industry members double-check that the correct information has been properly retrieved and categorized. Because there is a wealth of data to retrieve from a research paper, and the information can be about everything from concepts to proteins, we've decided to call the important things pulled from the literature entities. An entity can be a condition, a biomarker, a gene, a factor, something important that is relevant to PTSD. Because this tool has so many powerful features, we have a series of tutorials for you. We'll take a look at the workflow. You can see how it's laid out here in this bar at the top of the window. And we'll talk about how the layout is meaningful. Each panel is organized very specifically to make connections obvious at a glance. And the beauty of this ZAP is that you decide what the relevant connections are. The ZAP is constantly illustrating connections between research-supported concepts in more refined ways as you get more and more specific in your exploration of the information. This is a dynamic research space. New sources will be continuously added. Let's use this ever-expanding research space to quickly see connections that may have taken years to make otherwise. Let's design experiments in the areas where research is not already abundant. Let's use this ZAP to get better treatment to the people who need it and get it to them more quickly. We'll begin the feature tutorials in our next video.